Hey besties, I just wanted to take you all along with me to my dentist appointment. In this video I got steel ties added. I changed the bracket of my braces as well. Just sit back, take a look, and listen at the progress.
Replace the power chain upper 1-to-1. And either steel tie like you have this, so steel tie this one and put it around the whole bracket, or just do mesial to mesial.
I just do the whole bracket of the other one.
That's fine. No problem.
One only power chain.
Yep. Bite together. And then if you could put a close coil about maybe 1 millimeter on the distal of both of the upper twos. Just like cut like maybe millimeter close coil, or like 1.5. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like just to maintain the space, because I'm eventually gonna somewhat close this space. Between the 2 and the 3. Yep. Power chain the ones together, as then we're gonna have a little space here, and then this will maintain space here essentially. Don't do it as wide as this, just like half like that. And then we'll talk to Dr. A about if he wants to build these up, and then continue treatment, just so we have like an idea of the space. It's looking really nice.
Bracket you're gonna add in between it? I saw you place something somewhere and I wonder where's there space for it.
sit there, called closed coils, okay? What she's trying to do is maintain a space. I want to only put put a power chain. Stay nice and still. See it?
Oh, okay. Oh, so I see what she meant. So it's gonna allow her to work on these teeth without interfering with that space. That's what it's all about. No, but I'm realizing now that I know when it's gonna poke me. So let me do my little finger check. Yeah, that side on the bottom left is gonna bother me. The whole bottom. Yeah. Like if I could feel it, it's gonna bother me. The top is fine, the bottom.
Because you didn't change anything on the wires. I feel the same. I'll take a look when I go to lunch. I'll take a look. Exactly.
I'm not feeling it, but like when I press my finger, if I could feel it, it scares me because it always ends up hooking.
The thing is, it's at that point where the wire teeth of your arch is shifting, and it didn't shift that much that there's that much room to cut more.
So if you cut more, it might be too short.
Not that it might be too short. I might not have enough force. I might break a bracket off. Take a look. You see how close I am to the thing? Like it's not. The wires pretty much. See this side. This one's a little longer. So this one we do cut. The other side can. That one should feel a little better. So I was only able to cut. You see that little piece right there? So I'm not there again.
I'm like,
Dr. Ross.
thought you had to see.
Yep.
Switch it to
Perfect.
put you on it.
Yep. Beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Let's see what clip. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, I can't get anything.
That's fine.
Alright, my dear, I'm gonna take you out of here, and then you are all